Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about the elephant in the room. The new trend, it's crazy. I'll try it so you don't have to. And what are we talking about? We're talking about mouth taping while you sleep. And it sounds crazy. You know me, I'm always up for anything. So I decided to try it. One, I'm a mouth breather. Part of it stems from when I was in the 8th grade. Broke my nose, had to get basically this nasal cavity repaired. So I had cotton shoved up my nose for about 6 weeks. And anyway, I don't know if I was a mouth breather then or became one. So actually about 15 years ago, I was trying to figure out a way to make a tooth guard where you could put it in and it would keep your mouth shut. So it'd kind of force you to breathe through your nose. And then, of course, with TikTok and everything, I came across mouth breathing. So there's a whole bunch of cute little, different tape you can get. But this is actually micropore, microfiber tape from 3M. And it's only $9 on Amazon. And you get 9 of these. I think it's like 10 yards. So it's like 10 cents a night. You want to check with your doctor, of course, to make sure it's safe. If you got asthma or sleep apnea, I probably wouldn't do it. But for me, I'm just mostly a mouth breather, got a little bit of allergies. And it's supposed to, if you force you to breathe through your nose, it's supposed to filter your air a little better. It's supposed to increase 15 to 20% the carbon dioxide, getting more oxygen into your lungs and help you sleep better. I will tell you before you do it, when you put it on there, you can just do like a little strip and do it right here, but I did like the whole thing. You know me, dove right in. First night, couldn't get sleep for about 4 hours. So I would recommend before you do it at night, you just wear it around the house. Put it on, get it sealed, and just get used to it for a little bit. But now that I'm like 8 days into it, I don't even think about it. Cut a little strip off, put it on my mouth, and go to bed. Now, it's simple to do. Just right before you go to bed, you take it off, you cut it off. I usually make it about as long as my finger. I like to kind of go from lip to lip, so get about that long. Put it on, just seal it nice and tight. Getting it off in the morning, I just kind of push with my tongue and free up the seal, grab it and take it off. I'm a little concerned if I do sneeze, what's going to happen tonight. Some of the mouth tape that you can get, like I said, it's almost $1 a day though that you can buy. They're cuter, they look a little better, maybe they come off a little bit better. They've got a little slit in them so that you can exhale air if you need to, but it's supposed to help sleep and help you. I've noticed 2 things I guess I notice is I wake up feeling like I've got more air in my lungs and I've got more moisture in my mouth. A lot of times I have like really bad breath in the morning and my mouth's really dry because I'm a mouth breather. And so when I wake up in the morning, I don't have that dry mouth. And I don't know if it is, but I feel like my mouth is fresher. So anyway, I've been doing it. I'll probably keep doing it because it's pretty simple to do. Once you get kind of used to it after the first week, you don't even really think about it. But mouth taping, who knew? Anyway, give it a try and let me know what you think.